Okay, I'm here again to call out for a winner on this ephemera journal, which was the hashtag stash, restash, JJC. And everyone who commented. The person that I called out, I think it was Monday. No, must have been, I don't know what day it was. Anyway, they were supposed to contact me by Wednesday, and today's Thursday, and no one is contacted. So I've decided to call another name, and this time I hope that person contacts me, and or if I know who you are, then I'll just put it in the mail for you. Okay, so here we go. Hey Google, pick a number between 1 and 34.
Here's a random number, 21.
21 it's Loveland Creates. That's so funny because I was just reading her name. Sometimes I was just reading down and make sure I could pronounce names. And yeah, all right. So it's Loveland Creates, and I hope she contacts me, and I'll give you till Sunday, this coming Sunday, and then if I don't hear from you, I will do another draw. Okay, so just email me, put a comment in the comment section that you won and who you are. You don't have to put your address in there. Then you can contact me by email, or I will contact you. Okay, so thanks a lot, and good luck. Let's see, and then I am going to probably be doing a video today for tomorrow. This is short, and Sedona will not leave me alone. Okay, come on. This is not a party for you. Come on. So anyway, I've kind of just gotten through my pieces of ephemera and my computer, and I've just picked out things that I can work with. These tags here, I put the button on there. I think that turned out cute. This one I haven't done yet. So I'm probably going to either try to put these in. This one I did, Sedona, move. Come on, baby. Come on. Oh, gosh, so heavy. I know. She's been weird lately, and I don't know what to do exactly. I don't think she's pregnant. I don't think she can get pregnant. But I haven't taken her to the vet because of my leg and being able to, carry her and that kind of thing. But I'm going to call my daughter and see if she can't bring me the crate. So this one, I did the stenciling with the paste, and then I went over it with gold paste. And I need something else here, and I glued on this little bottle cap for a tab. So anyway, I will be back to do some more of this. Hopefully it'll be in tomorrow's video, which would be Friday. So you guys have a great day, and I'll see you tomorrow. Thank you. Bye.